my gosh. Hi guys, it's Ariel. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, fine, just kidding. But what's up guys? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Princess Week, where I am going to be dressing up as my favorite Disney princesses. Needless to say, Ariel was always one of my favorites, not only because she was a mermaid, but because Prince Eric was hot as f***. Dark hair, blue eyes stays my type. But also so is this, so don't listen to anything I say. Anyways, today we are turning into a spicy Ariel mermaid. So without further ado, here we go. My DIY little mermaid costume. Oh, this is the best week of my life. Oh my goodness, I have legs. All right, so here's our little outfit of the day. Obviously I am cosplaying as human Ariel. So we are going on our first date with Prince Eric, even though we can't speak, it's fine. Voila, here I am. For the dress, I have that same blue puffy dress that I used for Cinderella actually, but this time I put a little navy underbust corset under it and whoop, a really big poofy skirt. So then I could be, you know, poofy. We got a cute little blue bow for the back because, you know, fashion. Plain black heels because I was too cheap to buy navy ones to match. And that's our little look. So stinking cute, I can't. Honestly, this on its own could be a costume, but anyways, before I show you what we need for this project, here's a little video of me shopping for it, so here we go. All right, so of course, as always, I headed down to my favorite downtown LA to get some goodies. All right, so we're visiting Benny to get some good stuff. Let's see what he's got, because he has everything. Benny! Okay, so Ben is the best. We gotta get some, I think some pearls and shenanigans. Yeah, 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 yeah! Oh, that's it. We love it. You look beautiful. Thanks, Prince Eric! Popped into a little bead store, got some extra crystals and some fun shenanigans, and of course, over to Moscatel's. So much fun stuff in here. Look at all the shells. Oh my god. Oh, it's just like, ooh, fishnet. That'll be cool. Wow, wow, wow. Whoa! Perfect. All right, I think that's good. So now that we're back, here is the ingredients and what I got. A haul. Hello, Flounder the fish. Hello, Sebastian. How are you? Oh, I love you. Okay. Alrighty, so here is our little loot of everything that I bought. George, no! Here's the loot. Here is everything that I got for this project. I don't know what exactly I'm going to use and how because I just make this up as I go. But first thing, obviously, again, you need to base the costume. So I have a bra and I also have, ta-da! A seashell bra. I got this on Amazon. It's plastic. Though I found some real shells at the craft store that I actually think I might like better. So we got some shells to be boobalicious. George, you like this costume. Okay, the other thing that I got is a bunch of green fabric. This is actually a tablecloth. So that's fun. I'm gonna be wearing a tablecloth today. George, you cannot sit on my costume. Or I guess you can. Okay. And basically everything else is just shenanigans. I got some pearls to decorate it, some crystals from Benny, got some fun other crystals just to make it more glam, some rose gold paint. I wish I had rose gold spray paint, but they didn't have any, so I got this. Glittery rose gold trim, again, super fun. Got some fancy fishnet with glitter. I got a bunch of seashell decor. I got this bag of literal seashells. I think this is supposed to be potpourri, but I don't care. I'm gonna use it for this project. I got a little starfish, some more starfish, some shell necklaces. This is just, honestly, I kind of thought looked like coral. I believe it's supposed to go in flower arrangements, but we're gonna use it for this. I also got this thing. No clue if I'm actually gonna use this. I was just like, wow, this is the right color and is also from the ocean. So that's what I got for this very chaotic project. Are you ready to begin? Okay, let's begin. As always, I don't have any idea what I'm going to do. We're going to make this up literally right now. So bippity boppity boo, wrong fairy tale, but that's fine. Here we go. Let's see what I can come up with. Lord have mercy. Okay, so like I said, we're making this up as we go, but we're gonna go ahead and take the bra and take the rose gold paint. I am going to paint that with a toothbrush. Like I said, they had no spray paint, so yeah, honestly, this is just what I am doing. You make it work, make the dream work. Oh yes, this is what I do in the kitchen instead of cooking. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry. You can see it comes out like this. Again, spray paint is a better answer, but then we're gonna take the shells and I'm gonna just hot glue those right onto the bra. So take our trusty hot glue gun there and bippity boppity glue, bam, press those on, those will stick. Then we're gonna go ahead and take this weird little coral thingy and I just went ahead and snipped off the chunks of that. Also, did you guys notice I legitimately chopped off my nail with the scissors? Oops. Be more careful when you do this. So then I have those separated like that, and I'm just gonna glue those on the sides of the bra. Take this rose gold crystally trim there, gonna glue that around the edges of the bra just to make it a little fancy. Da 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 da. By the way, George is a very attentive craft watcher. He loves it. Hello. Grab one of these starfishes, and lo and behold, I have to use this toothbrush painting again. So I just, oh God, this is so unprofessional, but welcome to my channel. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe for more trash. But I went ahead and did that.
No, this isn't the Krusty Krab. This is Patrick.
Put that aside to let it dry because I'm going to use that later. So back to the bra. You can see this inside area. I'm going to go ahead and glue these pearls too. So I took the chunks of pearls and just kind of glued them on there again with the hot glue gun, layering them in place. Then for the area on the inside, I took the individual pearls and I went ahead and stuck those in there. Again, just the hot glue, press them on. They'll stick no problem. By the way, if you mess up a little bit, it's fine. No one's going to be looking at it that closely. So then I want to go ahead and make like a kind of a drapey design on the bottom. So I'm going to glue one of the necklaces to the base like this. Again, hot glue, da 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 da. And you can see the bottom half dangles off, kind of like a little necklace. Take one of those crystals, glue that upside down to make it extra pretty. You can see when the bra is all done, it is going to kind of look like this. Honestly, so glamorous and pretty and sparkly. It doesn't really look like much sitting here, but I promise you when it's on, it's gonna be iconic. So for the skirt, we're gonna grab the green tablecloth and throw on some underwear and wrap this around my waist like that. So you can see it kind of looks like this. But then I'm gonna take the other piece, and this is what's gonna make it look dramatic and long like a fishtail. So I grabbed the other piece and kind of just attached that onto the little bow. And you can see it's gonna look like this. Pretty cool and pretty glam. Really looks kind of like a sewn skirt, which is pretty awesome, especially when we decorate it. It's gonna be extra fire.
By the way, if you're not into the kind of scandalous version as a skirt, this is super cool. I actually got this on Amazon, but this is a normal skirt, so you can like walk around all night, but also look like a mermaid. So anyways, there's that 2 cents for you.
Now we're gonna take the crystally fishnet fabric that Benny gave us, and first we're gonna drape it on our dog for fun. Surprise. Oh, a cape for a gorgeous man. You're a merman, George. You deal with so much being my dog. I love you. For the fishnet, I'm just going to want to kind of drape it over like this. So I'm going to go ahead and eyeball that, cut it down to size so it matches. Then instead of attaching it to the skirt, I want to be able to tie and retie the skirt. So I'm actually going to attach that to the underwear that I plan on wearing. So I'll stitch that in there on both sides. And then I can just kind of drape it over the skirt when I put it on. Now we're going to go ahead and take these ingredients to go ahead and decorate the skirt. So you can see I have my starfish there. We got an extra piece of the corally stuff and we got a little bit of glitter. So I'm just going to go ahead and actually glue those together. Again, hot glue, bum, bum, bum. Hot glue is the answer to everything. My God, amazing invention. I'm actually going to decorate the starfish real quick. So we're going to hot glue some pearls on that, you know, just to make it extra glam. La, 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 la. Fabuloso. So I'm going to want to be able to attach this on top of this again and take it on and off. So I took a bow and dismantled it and used this little clip, hot glued that to the back of that. So then this could be like a little clip. So boop, pretty cool. And then I can take this and go ahead and just attach that right onto the skirt. OMG, this looks so cool. Oh my God. Okay, so when it's all done, it is going to look basically like this. And now, well, now I'm gonna get ready. So really, now we just have to get dressed and get ready. But of course, before I undo the current glam, I needed to enjoy it a little more. So I had some fun.
Prince Eric, where are you? Don't be shy, you wanna kiss the girl.
I forgot I'm supposed to be silent. Being Ariel is low-key my worst nightmare because being silent, I would die if I couldn't like scream all the time. I ended up honestly loving this before costume so much I even posted it on Instagram. So stinking cute. So anyways, this is a great costume. Also, if you want to do the, you know, conservative version of Ariel. But of course we are doing the skanky version. So back to that.
Oh no,
Oh, where did my hair go? Basically, we're just gonna readjust our hair and change our lip color. Maybe add a little glitter. Quick mermaid glam. She's beauty, she's grace, she's Miss United States.
Oh yes, I'm nailing it.
Okay, what are we gonna really do here?
I went ahead and made a little starfish clip too. I glued a starfish onto a barrette, so that's that.
I think we're gonna go with the barefoot vibe since she's not supposed to have legs anyway, though this would also go.
This is what it looks like off. It actually matches my bed perfectly. And now we're just gonna put it on and do the grand reveal.
Come on, honey.
Look at this.
Oh my god! Oh, it's amazing! Oh my gosh, this came out even better than I would have ever thought. This is the coolest Ariel I've ever seen.
My camera doesn't really show how glittery this is, so I'm trying to film it on my phone. Like, goodbye. This is iconic.
You can see the bra just came out so stinking cool.
Like, oh my gosh, it's just so detailed and so gorgeous. You know, it's hard to show up close because it's just like literally an up close shot of my boobs and I'm trying not to get hella demonetized, but you can see the skirt came out awesome too. It's just so flowy and cool and fun and honestly looks just like a tail if, you know, you had a tail and also legs.
Dun, 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 dun. Woo!
I'm just living for this. I really do think this is one of the best costumes I've ever made, but you know, that is just my humble opinion.
Oh my god, now that's a surf from under the sea. Darling, it's better down there, it's wetter, take it from me.
Take that how you will.
Oh, Sebastian. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat?
Honestly, Ariel is literally me. She would have been a great YouTuber.
Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Don't worry, I'll still go shopping.
Yeah.
Hey guys, it's Ariel. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to teach you how to brush your hair with a fork. Fashion.
Since it's hard to see over there, show it in the full length mirror over here, but oh my gosh. This is literally so good. It's gorgeous. This is one of the most famous tweets I've ever tweeted. I really would have auditioned. Really did make a huge mess of the floor, but it was worth it. This is unbelievable.
All right, time for a TikTok.
I tried to scream, but my head was underwater. They called me weak, like I'm not just somebody's daughter.
Now that's what I call a look.
So there you have it, you guys. That was my DIY mermaid princess Ariel under the sea costume. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you for our next princess look, not tomorrow, but the next day. I love you. Kisses till next time. XO.
Okay, so we need some pearls. We're being a
Oh my god! We needed something.
I just ruined the whole store. I'm sorry, Penny.
No. I think that's actually gonna be very good.
Oh no, it's so bad, you guys. Oh.
Oh no, don't.